y'all, welcome back to another hair vlog. So today is wash day. As you can see, my hair is really dry, especially up in here. This is not my usual. It's been 2 weeks since I washed my hair, so this wash and go is way past due. I normally don't let my hair get like this, but let's just say the last couple of days have been a little hectic. With that, I'm going to go in and do a pre-poo with these two products as I am. I'm going to spray my hair with the Jamaican black castor oil, and then I'm going to go in with the coconut co-wash. This is going to help my hair, especially because it's so dry, and I have noticed I have a bunch of like little tangles at the end, so trying to keep from pulling my hair out. And then today I'm actually going to try this bonding shampoo and bonding conditioner from Trader Joe's. This is from my dupes haul, so go check that out. Depending on if I have time, because I literally have 2 hours before I have to go pick up baby girl. And I'm going to try this shea butter and coconut oil hair mask, do a quick deep condition. And after that, I'm going to go in and style with my leave-in conditioner. So again, this is from the Trader Joe's haul that I just did. So this is the leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to go in with my tried and true, my duo, my hair mousse duo of the Mousse Def and the Crazy Sexy Curl. Love these two together. And then after that, I'll be back. So I'm focusing on the ends of my hair because that's where I'm getting a lot of my tangles. I'm just going to spray these down. First step is always pre-poo so that I can make sure that I put some moisture back into my hair before I start going in, and I want to make sure that I can at least get some of these tangles out, or at least soften them a little bit before I get into the shower and start, manipulate. See, y'all see that? Oh, that little knot right there. Anyways, I had no business waiting this long to wash my hair, but here we are. Step 1, pre-poo. As I am Jamaican black castor oil water. I love spraying this on. Just kind of work it in. And then I'm gonna do some more in this area because I can tell certain parts of my hair are more dry than usual. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some regular water as well. So now we're gonna go in with the coconut co-wash, maybe about that much. And what I'm gonna do, really work it on those ends. Yeah, see that big knot? Look at that. Yep, get that coconut co-wash. I'm gonna put a little bit more just because my hair is tangled. All right. Oh, especially this back. Let's get up this other side here. Now I'm going to go ahead and hop in the shower, and we're going to do the bonding shampoo and bonding conditioner. All right, y'all, let's get into it. But before we get into styling, I do want to talk about the different products and what I thought of them. So the bonding shampoo, one, it smells amazing. Yes. And all in all, the consistency was good. Lather was good. It didn't feel too stripping, so I like that. If you are an Olaplex user, sometimes the number 4, even the regular one, base, can feel a little stripping at times. So I think this one, I think it's a great shampoo. After I did the shampoo, I went in with the shea butter and coconut oil hair mask. This one right here. This one, consistency is really good. It has a very faint, maybe not faint, mid coconut smell, not overpowering or anything, but I definitely used this one after I did the shampoo, left this on for 3 to 5 minutes. Like I said, my hair was really dry and had quite a few knots. So I wanted to make sure to add a bunch of moisture back into my hair. This, consistency wise, great. When I washed it out of my hair definitely felt moisturized. And after I did the mask, I went in with the bonding conditioner. So this one, if you're familiar with Olaplex number 5, Olaplex number 5 is very thick. This, I would say, it's like a medium consistency. It's not runny, but it's not thick. So when I was pouring it out of the bottle into my hand, yeah, I was like, oh, I think I put too much. I was expecting it to be thick just because of my experience with other products. All in all, I did like the consistency of this. When I washed it out of my hair, I did feel as though, usually when I do the Olaplex, it almost feels like my hair is filmy after, but you know, I just chalk that up to it just being a thicker conditioner. This one, when I rinsed this one out of my hair, it didn't give me that filminess. So right now, this is my hair fresh out of the shower. It smells amazing. I like that. All in all, my hair feels moisturized. It doesn't feel like stripped or anything. I am going to go ahead and start styling. We're gonna go in with the Trader Joe's, can't see that, Trader Joe's leave-in conditioner. So this one has like a spray top. It's just like a regular spray top. I have a lot of hair and this little, like, I'm gonna spray it up, okay? Oh yeah, see? This is more of like a, it smells good. I'm gonna go ahead and crack this bottle open, okay? Open this up and, oh, consistency, it's very milky. So again, because my hair is color treated, I tend to like to add more product than maybe someone whose hair is not color treated. That's just been my prerogative. It's worked for me. And right now I'm just going in, I'm gonna do a light finger detangle. I don't want to do too much because I'm gonna have to go in with the unbrush when I do the styling. You can see my hair is pretty defined already, but towards this part, you see how it's still a little dry. So I'm gonna add some more water. You don't want to overdo it on the product. So if you've used a good amount of product already, go in with some water and rehydrate your hair before you think to add more product. So right now, I would say this is still a little drier than I would like, especially because I'm not going to go in with a curl cream. So usually I do a leave-in conditioner and a curl cream and some sort of like heat protectant if my curl cream or leave-in doesn't have that. But today, because this leave-in has heat protectant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm not going to use a curl cream. I'm just going to use this one product and then go in with my mousse. What I like to look for is making sure like there's no frizziness. So like this isn't too bad given that I've kind of finger detangled, you know, like compared to this side, right? You see how it looks a little dry versus this has a little bit more definition to the curls. Okay, this side is good. We're gonna put this up. I like to go in with my leave-in on both sides before I get to styling. Let's go in with some water. So just because I've already done the other side, I kind of know that I need to be a little generous. Now I'm gonna go and just kind of comb it through. And I'm not doing like a heavy, I'm just kind of putting my fingers through it. This is also why I get my nails like this, the almond shape, because it's, my fingers double as a comb sometimes. Let's get some more. You can see it's already getting defined, but the insides of my hair sometimes can be a little dry. All right, let's get into the styling. I've been doing this for so long, so it's like second nature to me, but I just go ahead and I part ear to ear. And I don't know about y'all, but I like a middle part. Not a deep part, but a middle part nonetheless. And I'm gonna put this up. So I'm just gonna re-wet it. What I love about this one, yeah. If you have used a bounce curl brush, depending on your consistency of hair, bounce curl brush doesn't work that well on me with the bristles because my hair, you can't, I don't know, the bristle part, like you got to be putting it in, I have to be putting my hair into like a bun or something if I'm going to use anything with bristles or a ponytail. Yeah, I don't use it. I use this one, which is the unbrush from FHI, I think it is. Again, going in with the Dynamic duo. Okay, stop playing. One pump of each, or I would say 1 and 1. So if I do a half pump of one, I do a half pump of the other. Go in, brush first. And why I mix the two mousses, originally when I first started using the Dupe, they only had Mousse Def, and Mousse Def used to be like my one product wash and go. And I think somewhere along the line they must have changed the formula, because when I first started using Mousse Def, it left my hair very hydrated and it gave me a very firm hold, which I like. Just given how my curls behave, and I like to use I like to have my wash and go last for about a week. And when they changed the formula, my hair didn't feel as moisturized. So then that's when they came out with the honey, and I noticed when I used the honey one by itself, it didn't give me a strong hold, but my curls felt very hydrated. So I was like, I guess I can't do the one product wash and go anymore, but I could definitely mix the two and get exactly the hold and the moisture that I need for my curls. So that's why I mix them. I've tried other products from the Dupe, but those are like my faves. I'm done. And it is 5:07. I still have time to spare. I'm gonna let my hair air dry and I will come back and tell you all how my hair feels now that I've styled it. It feels hydrated, but let's see how this looks in a couple days. So day one, I'm coming to check in, show you how the hair is looking. One thing I will say, my hair feels so soft. I wish I could see it, but my curls are very defined. You see back here? I love that. Today is Monday. I washed my hair on Sunday. So technically this is like day one. So yesterday I let my hair air dry. I did not diffuse. I was just kind of running around. I do not break my cast on my hair. I just kind of let it dissolve or break naturally. So something like that is my hair still being a little crunchy from the mousse, and I just leave it like this. I just kind of leave my hair do what it's gonna do. I don't break the cast. I want my curls to just kind of like do their own thing. Let me show you how I wrap my hair. Hold on. I use a bonnet, nothing fancy, 2 hair ties. These are like my little silk satin hair ties. I part it down the middle, so I do 2 halves, right? This part I separate, so my front hair I separate. All of this in the back, 1 hair tie, put my bonnet on, and I sleep on my back sometimes, and that means I can't put my hair to the back, so I pull it to the front. And that literally, so I do that side, and then I take this ponytail, push it to the front, I like to make sure all my curls are back here, not near this band. My hair feels so soft. I'm gonna end it here. I will see you all in a couple days. It's the next day. I literally just took my hair down. So you see how this part of my hair has an indent? That's why I don't put this up here. So once I take my hair out of my bonnet, I use these alligator clips to sort of assist with the curls falling how they're supposed to. And same on this side. So I'll leave this in for maybe about 15 minutes or so, and then take them out. But yeah, that's it. Day 2, curls are feeling, my hair feels so hydrated. Hey, welcome back. So this is day 4 here. I just want to show you all how moisturized my hair looks like. Mind you, it's day 4. You can still see my curls are very defined. And what I'm really enjoying is that the cast has slowly broken, but look how defined my curls are right now. So curls are very defined. This side as well, so you see all of that. Very defined curls, so bravo, bravo. And I think the combination of products that I used really gave my hair like a nice firm cast. My hair, I've just been, putting it up like I showed you all. And from there, every day I just take it down, put my little alligator clips, and that's it. I don't do anything else to it. This is it. And this is, like I said, how I like my hair to slowly progress. But we're looking good. I haven't had to do any refreshes, nothing. No additional products since wash day. So that's what I love about my routine, is that I do my hair once, I do my hair for the week, and I'm done. As long as I am putting it in my bonnet, which I do every night, it's going to look like this. But anyways, that's what this wash day is. So if this was helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and if you feel compelled, send it to somebody who you know is in need of a curly routine. This one is very affordable, and not only that, but it works. I have color treated hair. How can I say? It's prone to losing moisture, not quickly, but it does over time. So I have to make sure that the products that I use are extra moisturizing, and that I don't have to go in and manipulate my hair again, because my hair doesn't really do well with that. It's more of like a one and done type of thing. So that's my routine. Hopefully it was helpful, and thank you for making it to this point in the video. Have a good one. Toodles.